Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 8 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So as you can see, my device blacks out a little bit too fast for my liking. Basically all we have to do in order to, for example, elongate the screen timeout is to enter the settings, and right here let's find the display option. Now let's tap on the screen timeout, and as you can see here we've got the options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options and at the bottom the longest one. So all we have to do in order to set the timeout is to tap on the option like to use. I will pick 5 minutes. As you can see, it is immediately marked and it is also notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.